Clearly. Insane 420 haircuts. Good Lord. Oh, my God. He's actually lighting that one.
Yeah.
That's terrifying.
How did he
Back of your
stick
head.
it onto his head?
Yeah,
That's what
some type of glue or something.
And what's the white?
That's nutty.
Who is that? Is that Chong?
That would
From
be
Cheech
Chong.
and Chong?
Yeah.
That's post.
Oh, so he always puts the joint in the mouth every time.
Yo, you know what? These are sick. Who's this?
It's crazy what you could do with a razor.
Wow, that's so
creative.
good. This one's so
Bob Marley
good.
with the dreads?
Yeah.
Be real?
The guy's like, I'll do the haircut, but you got to let me put the joint on. You got to let me. Oh, goofy.
Yeah, look at his eyes wired.
It's crazy because he's getting all this footage at all these different places. I guess that's his thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Dali.
You got to be sure that this guy's going to like remove that
the coloring
before it burns
the
out.
flame.
Yeah.
You got to deal with that flames getting close to my head. Like you're going to feel heat off that.
Right.
You start feeling heat off that pretty quickly.
Yeah, hair's pretty flammable.
Will, didn't you see the clip I sent? Did you see the clip I put in general of I think you were Cheech and I was Chong?
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Did you see that?
That was funny.
I did, yeah.
Do you feel like the people are ready for that or no?
He does some great deep fakes.
Oh,
there.
can we give him a shout out? Just go to Twitter actually then. So if you look at Lou Later Mentions, then he can get a shout out because I think I just put the link. But there was do they even call that a deep fake at this point, or is that just like a face swap? You can do the audio. That's me, and then oh no, you can't do the audio. You cannot do the audio. Never mind.
Sorry.
Will.
I changed my mind. That's Will. There's me. And we're Cheech and Chong.
Shout out to Axe Tracks.
Axe Tracks has been doing this.
He's been doing so many of these.
Oh, okay. Well, then
it's
he did it.
hilarious.
It's about time he got this shout out then.
It's so funny.
It's about time he got this shout out then. What's funny as well about this particular setup is that in this clip, you're really talkative and I'm just watching you.
Yeah.
You notice that? It's pretty funny. I'm just like there, smiling, laughing. Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's a good time.
Maybe try the audio. Okay, let's try the audio one more time. It could be a bad idea.
I think you better light it in here, man. Why?
Yeah,
Gas fumes, man.
it's that song. That song's gonna get us. Unless I talk through all of it. Okay, never mind, kill it. But it gives you the vibe of it. It gives you the vibe of it. We're copyright infringers.
It's a good time.
We're copyright infringers. Everybody knows. We rely on the super chats. Maybe we won't poke the copyright this time. I don't know. It's close.